Hello everyone and welcome to Nancy's Magic Touch and DIYs. Today's video, I'm taking some thrift store items that just needs a little lift. They don't need much work, but they need a little touching up. So I'm going to share with you what I'm doing with these items. Without any further ado, grab a nice warm cup of tea and let's get started. I found this at my local thrift store. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but I thought it was super cute, so I had an idea. I took the little stand and I give it 2 good coats of black flat spray paint. And all I did with this is put the vase back in place and decorate it with some flowers. I found this rack at my thrift store. It's a nice rack, but it needs a little touching up, a little bit of sanding, and then I'm simply going to give it 2 good coats of black flat spray paint. This could be used as dish towels in your kitchen, but if you have the space, it would be beautiful on a bathroom counter for your hand towels as well. I found this beautiful wine rack at my local thrift store, and it's rusted, so I'm going to sand all that off, and then once I get rid of all the residue, I'm going to give it a really good clean, and then I'm going to give it 2 good coats of black spray paint. And that's all it needed for a nice uplift. Now I'm just going to put some greeneries, and I'm going to put a bottle of wine, and I'm also going to put the wine glasses in there as well. I found this cast iron base candle holder, I guess, and I really like how heavy and sturdy it is, so I had to pick it up. So I picked up this planter at my dollar store, and I'm going to remove the bottom stuff that's on it. Now I'm going to take some Gorilla Glue and I'm going to randomly apply some on the top of the bottom piece, but I am also going to apply some hot glue in between for instant hold. Now I'm going to take my planter upside down and apply it this way, as I find it easier to see the middle of the planter. I simply put a spider plant inside of it as it hangs over the side, and it makes it very pretty. I found these items at my local thrift store. This is some sort of a little rack, or some little holder of some sort. And I also found this beautiful rack, and it's expandable. It opens, and you have three kind of stand on it, I guess. It's really pretty. I also found these soup dishes. That's what I'm guessing they are, to make like onion soups and stuff. Anyway, there were 4 dishes, so I got them. I'm going to use some flower foam. I'm also going to use some moss grass and some greeneries. I got these greeneries at Walmart, and I absolutely love these. I'm going to cut some foam, and I'm going to fit them into each one of my little bowls. Now I'm going to hot glue them in the bottom of the bowls. Now I'm going to take some moss grass and put some of that all over the top of the bowl. Now I'm simply going to trim some greenery and put that in each one of the little bowls. Now I'm all done. I'm simply going to put these little jars in place. Look how beautiful this turned out. This is a very unique piece. I have never seen one of these before, and I was really excited to do something with it.
Well, that's it for this video, folks. These were very easy DIYs, as you can see. If you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. I would love to hear all your comments down below. And if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to my channel yet, well, please do that. Until next time, have yourself a great day.